Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to troubleshoot an APC UPS that won't stop making a beep sound. So to start, you can temporarily mute the alert. Press any button on the front of the UPS and the alarm should stop for a short period. Next, check whether the unit is overloaded. Look at the indicator lights on the front panel. If the overload indicator is lit, power off the UPS and disconnect some equipment. Only keep critical devices connected, such as your PC and display. Avoid plugging in high consumption devices like laser printers, heaters, or additional power strips. Now, inspect the battery connection. Shut down the UPS and unplug it from the electrical outlet before opening the battery compartments. Verify that the battery cable is securely attached. A disconnected or partially connected battery can trigger repeated warning beeps. Another possibility is a worn out battery. UPS batteries typically have a lifespan of around 2 to 3 years. If the battery no longer passes self tests or has reached the end of its service life, install a replacement battery designed for your APC model. You can also try resetting the UPS, turn off all connected equipment, and power down the unit. Disconnect the UPS from the wall outlet and unplug the internal battery. Press and hold the power button for about 5 seconds to discharge any stored power inside the unit. After that, reconnect the battery, plug the UPS back into the outlet, and switch it on again. This process helps the UPS recalculate and update its estimated battery runtime accurately. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.